Okay, so we are back at the 6-bed HMO renovation. So the carpet's been done, the deep clean's been done, redecorating's been done, furniture's in. I'm just here now to have a quick walk through, see what needs doing. Little stuff like all the compliance stuff. So, you know, the thumb turns, door closers, minor repairs, stuff like that. But the larger stuff has all been sorted now. I need to check that light. Mostly so that we can reset the property, get all the so I can take marketing pictures and videos and start the marketing while we do all the other works. So Darren from Fairfax Windows has just attended. They are going to have a look at that door. I think it's just dropped. Replace some of the sash windows at the front with double glazing. Let's just have a look in here. So this is going to be one of the bedrooms. So this is going to be an ensuite room. So it's these sash windows up here. They're single glazed right now, and obviously we want that to be better insulated. So it's going to do that. It's going to replace some of the glass panels. I'll come back down here in a minute, address this room, and take marketing pictures. We also need to then walk around, change all the light bulbs, but obviously we can send a contractor to do all these repairs and sort of the finishing touches. Right now we just want it looking good, so we can just at least get the ads up so we can take the viewing, just to minimize the void period for our landlord. And you know, while that's happening, then we can do all the works, because this could take, you know, a month, 2 months, and that could be a lot of money. So it's just being sensible, really, being and smart about things. For example, the door closer up there needs fitting. Now we need to decide if we're putting those curtain posts back up and put curtains in here, or are we going to put blinds throughout? So that's another decision that we'd have to make. Let's go in here. So this, I've also changed the layout of this property, optimized the layout. As you see downstairs, it's 3 bathrooms and 1 ensuite. So what we're doing is change downstairs. We're turning that room into an off suite. This 2 rooms here will share this bathroom. This will have its own ensuite, and then the 2 rooms upstairs will share a bathroom as well. And that just makes it, that really optimizes the rent. This is a lovely room. So those windows are going to be replaced. They're single glazed windows, but they'll be replaced. Probably should turn the lights on. I probably should need to check and see where we're at as well. Okay, yeah. Nice large bathroom, bathtub and shower unit as well. Okay, commercial carpets on the step. Oh, probably should turn the lights on. There you go. I'm going to ask to see if we can change these lights into automatic sensor lights. Okay, so this is the other bathroom. Let's replace some of these bulbs for these 2 rooms here. And this is going to be one of them. This will be room 5. And this will be room 6. Ooh, that needs thing. So that's going to needs to be replaced. So I'll go now. I will go through the whole property, just take preliminary pictures, market pictures of everything, get the ads up, and then do all the repairs. These are new carpets. It seems massive difference. It looks so much nicer. We didn't repaint the woodwork because there's a lot, and it's going to cost a lot. And although it does stick out slightly, it doesn't stick out that much. And you know, with my investor hat on, it's not going to make a difference to the rent. So in this situation, we chose not to repaint the woodwork, repaint the walls instead. If this was a full refurb and we were adding en suites, we were making sure that all bedrooms had en suites and all that sort of stuff, then I would also paint the woodwork. But in this situation, I personally don't think it's necessary. I think it's fine. I don't think it will impact on the rent whatsoever. As you can see, it looks absolutely fine. Repainting all the wood throughout this property, and it's a massive property, would have cost a lot of money for a landlord client, and I don't think that's good use of money. We need to fix that or replace it. All right, hopefully that's been helpful. See you.